It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. I'm in Whale Cove. Whale Cove on a Wednesday. There's supposed to maybe be a wind warning today, big low pressure system coming in. So see how that goes. I got my little man bun going. Look at that. It's getting there. It's not there yet, but it's getting there. I'm gonna go for a nice little walk. It's probably gonna be too windy to even talk to the camera. And I feel like all my videos have been windy enough lately, but it's really windy today. But I'm gonna venture outside and go for a quick little walk down to the ocean and then come back and do some music stuff. Let's go.
I don't know if this is gonna work. The microphone is maybe hidden from the wind, but it might not be. Oh, I tripped a little bit. It's hard to really tell how windy it is, but like it's real windy. You can see the wind on the water. I'm not gonna venture too far because I've been seeing some polar bears recently, so it's sweet to see the gusts on the water like that. It's huge. Love it. Gonna walk over there. I'm gonna unplug it from the headphones quick so you can hear this wind. Check this out. Real windy. Real windy.
It's like pretty windy outside, like really windy.
But still pretty cool, kind of worthwhile to get out and explore. It's about, I don't know, maybe -2, -1 out right now. The camera's got to be held low like this because I'm plugged into my headphones. Yeah, so hope you enjoy looking at the bottom of my beard. Just keeps getting windier and windier. We got some pretty extreme winds here. We got a wind warning for Rankin Inlet and Whale Cove and the west side of the Hudson's Bay. There's some ducks just chilling. Look at the ducks. Some the most badass ducks here, just like, I don't give a fuck about the wind. We're ducks. We don't give a duck. We don't give a duck about anything. We're hardcore. We're hardcore ducks. But yeah, if anyone is wondering, so out this way is this is the Hudson's Bay. We're on the west coast of the Hudson's Bay right now in Whale Cove. There's Seagull. He heard us talking about how cool those ducks were, but he's not as cool. All right, so just keeps getting windier and windier. So yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. So we'll see you there in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're back. Inside. Yeah, just had kind of like a good little adventure outside, walking around. It's getting pretty windy out there. Yeah, today's pretty much just a mellow day. I'm just hanging out in the hotel, eating, chilling. It's a very important, big part of my job is just being ready to go. It's pretty fun. All right, now I'm gonna do some music. This is a laptop. I don't do it like this. Maybe like this. This is getting weird. See you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.